decimals to fractions, what we need to do is count the digits. So for decimal to fraction then, if we had 0.3, we know that there's one digit after the decimal, so we would write 10. So for this it would be 3/10, and then we could simplify if necessary. So for 0.75, there's two digits after the decimal place, so we're going to write 75/100, and we can see that both of these numbers are divisible by 25. So 75 divided by 25 goes in 3 times, and by 100 is 4. So 0.75 is equal to 3/4. So let's look at a slightly more tricky number, 0.125, 3 digits after the decimal, so we're going to write the number over 1000. Then we're going to simplify. Pretty sure that 125 goes into the top and the bottom, once at the top, 8 times at the bottom, so 0.125 is the same as 1/8. Some people like to write it out with 1 at the bottom, so if you had 0.65 in a fraction over 1, and you're still going to multiply the top and the bottom by, in this case, it would be 100 for 2 digits. So that gives us, again, 100 at the bottom and 65 at the top. So we're going to simplify that down, and I would divide top and the bottom by 5. 65 divided by 5 goes in 13 times, and into 100 it goes in 20. So 0.875, write that over 1, times the top and the bottom by 1000, gives us 875/1000. So let's simplify that. That's divisible by 25. So 25 into 875 is 35, and into 1000 it's 40. So I'd probably reduce that again using 5, which would give us 7 on the top and 8 on the bottom. Now if you were quite good with your numbers, you may have noticed that 125 went into this fraction, as that's the highest common factor, and you could have got straight to 7/8 by dividing by 125.